You guys, I am so loving this automatic foaming soap dispenser. It feels so like fancy and luxurious to have at your house because it's automatic, and foaming soap is just a nice special treat, and also gonna get rid of the bacteria and make your soap last a lot longer. So it's just good for a lot of different things, but I especially love that I no longer have a soap dispenser in the bathroom that I feel like everyone's dirty hands are just all over. So I feel like my bathroom is a lot cleaner now and a lot safer. This is battery operated, but it goes into standby mode. My batteries have lasted forever, so don't really worry about that. It's really, really efficient. To take it on and off standby mode, you touch this, but you just kind of turn it on the first time you get it and you don't have to worry about it. You put the soap right in your reservoir down here. You only need about a quarter, maybe of soap, and then the rest is water. And then you just put your hands underneath. Boom. Nice foaming soap to use, and you don't have to worry either if you have kids or something like that. Once you put your hands under there, it just puts it out one time. It doesn't keep going or anything. So I really, really like this. I think it's something that is gonna keep you cleaner and safer and just kind of elevate your home. It's a fun product to have and really functional too.